Okay, can I speak in tree?
Yes, speak in tree.
Okay.
That's very okay.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. My friend Yusuf Abdallah. My friend Yusuf Abdallah. Na minyan mother for us. I can't me what can I say? Me ba Islam no like me wunya me who say be Islam mo. So what as I say like I say obi so achire me say like obi akomala me chene ya chire me that be me suen or app me twa app na me suen bia or app so
obey Muslim like when you be like
chire me bia that be Play Store la me call yes I'm making apps no na me suen bismillah munya
okay fatia
me twa ka fatia yes kulo halal falak na me twa kan ni
Salah no nema subhana rabbiyal azim bibia.
Oh yes, of course. Mitwaka, inshallah, mitwaka.
Subhanallah, Allah is your brother Yusuf, wallahi. Ablukumaha into yada Allah say. Also obey Muslim bia. Say easy and say easy.
Oh, I'm say easy, but me who like difficult, anything difficult.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
If you are truly like the religion there, you have to give yourself for time. We be ashamed.
Okay.
Yes. Don't be lazy in prayers.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't joke with the 5 daily prayers.
Mashallah.
Yes.
Mashallah.
Always, even when I'm working,
Mashallah.
and it's time when I hear that azan.
No.
Yes, I have to stop what I'm doing and go to the masjid. Yes. So me other four.
Okay.
Islam there, and you be chinchan bia. Yes. Easy thing. So offer all the whole man from at the bottom be yes. Allah kaya ho.
Allah is showing you, brother Yusuf. May Almighty Allah bless you, and then make you very strong, Allah, and then protect you and your family. Yeah, inshallah. I'm very, very happy to be here with my brother Yusuf, and I would like to thank our brother Abdurrahman for giving me his number to reach him out, mashallah. And then we pray that Almighty Allah make you strong and protect your family. And very soon before come, your entire family, everyone is Muslim.
Amen, mashallah.
Your mom, your dad.
Oh, mashallah, everyone will come.
Inshallah.
Yes, even that. Very soon, my wife and my kids will join me.
Allah Akbar,
yes.
Allah make it possible.
Amen.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam, mashallah.